259 Grand Teton, that's a school. So we have desert landscaping on one side, but grass on the other. This gate looks like it could use some attention. There's a little bit of grass back there as well. So the flooring matches inside and out. Paint condition is fine. Even the shower matches. Cabinets look great overall. There's a couple scuff marks, but that's nothing. Pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows so far. 7 windows plus 2 verticals. Oh, it's locked. Okay. I love this tree. Yeah, see what Jenny says. It is hanging over the neighbor's yard. Could use a cleanup. So I believe that was 7 windows so far, plus 2 verticals. And plus 1 there, so that would be 8. 9, 10. Interesting shaped room, but it has high ceilings, so it doesn't feel quite as cramped. Changing flooring. 11, 12, 13. Really big room. We have about one type of every hard flooring in this house.